Well, sort of same model as Roscoe's police car. They're about to leave the car show. Yep, that's what Roscoe drove. I love that. And the vets are leaving. Yep, about time to get up out of here. All the vets are gone pretty much. Yep. So, not really too much going on right about now. Some of the other cars came in. This just came in, I think. Sweet sound to it too. Uh-oh. Come on. Can you depend on your Chevy?
Well, you know what?
It better start. Pump it! Yeah, there you go. You gotta pump it. It's carbureted. Oh, it died. Try again. You Spanish people.
For serving our country in such an honorable manner.
It's a woman, too.
Happy Memorial Day to every veteran.
Too bad it ain't Jen. Don't worry, it's a Chevy. It'll start.
Grace us with your presence. Once again, you got about 20 minutes to enjoy yourselves here. And when you leave, we ask that everyone leave in a peaceable manner.
Pretty truck.
Because we want to continue to come down here for everyone to showcase their cars here at the Capitol Boulevard and the Capitol Center.
I love it.
With Unity Sunday as a host. And don't forget Sunday.
It's a pretty truck.
Maryland International Raceway, Borough Street, Maryland. Unity Sunday's car show is their culinary team. Drag race.
Will it run? It ran when it came in here.
We're going to close up at 10 o'clock. And please remember, at 10 o'clock, everyone has to leave the parking area. Because you have PG County Police, Maryland State Police,
yes!
and the mall cops who will come in the area. And we don't want that to happen. So please, 10 o'clock, we're out.
It runs! Just remember, it's carbureted. You gotta pump the shit out of it. And we got smoke. That's not good. It's a carbureted. Nice car. It's carbureted. You gotta pump it. All you pumpers out there. Well, it ran. It's smoking like hell, but it runs. Cool for Chevy. And the vets are leaving, see? There they go. Oh, that's a Camaro though. Same deal. Oh, it died again. Oh well. We'll know it'll run. See y'all later.